Kapula sa akong background, sa akong light. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to another live. Why it's scheduled. Let me try to share first. Wow, wow. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, wow. Dula sa tong naong. Hi, hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening over there, Joy. Hello, good evening, Mr. Johnny Bone. Thank you. Thank you for being here to my live streaming. Thank you for always watching my live, my videos. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Hold on. Hello, Sisi. Maayong gabi. Yes, maayong gabi, Sisi Yans. Ka-blooming, sis, oy. Nakakilay lang na og nakalip lip tint, Sisi, oy. Hello. Hold on. Good evening. Good evening to and mega love shout out to Mr. Johnny Bone all the way from USA. Thank you, thank you. And maayong gabi Mindanao, maayong gabi Sisiyans from asa kay kasis? Asa kay kasis? Asa kay kakaron sis? Sa Iligan, okay, Iligan di ay all the way from Iligan, mega love. Mega love shout out Sisiyans. May gabi. Oh no, nagulan diri sa amo Sisi. Nagulan diri karon so ulan siya no. How about there Sisiyans? Nagulan dira Sisi. Thank you to my 2 million viewers and 2 million likers, likers, and to 2 likes over there. Thank you so much, guys. Just wait. Let me try to share my live. So there's somebody gahapon kusog ulan. You can also support my live streaming and so I can reach my goal. Char goal, Jud. Sir Johnny Bone, are you still there? Are you going to work right now? I think it's 8 o'clock in there. Oh yeah, yes. Nibaba siya sisiyans, niabot siya na Nahimo na lang siya 600, 1,000 man to tong yagi. Nahimo man to 1,000. Karon kay nababa siya sa 600,000. Okay ba kaha ang internet diri karon no? Na try to share in my file let to reach some goals. Happy Thursday evening. Happy Thursday evening here in the Philippines and Wednesday morning. Is it Wednesday morning in the USA right now, right? Am I correct? It is 8:52 here. We have the same time, but in the USA it's morning, right? I say it's Thursday morning. No, okay, I'm so sorry for that. But it's Thursday morning, I see. How is Joy? Sir Johnny, how is Joy? Is she still pretty? Thursday morning, you are advanced. Yeah, yeah. Your daughter is your daughter. What is the name of your daughter nga, Sir Johnny? Joy is great. She is extremely beautiful as always. Yeah, I agree. I agree too that Joy also is extremely beautiful as always. Yeah, that's right. It's Jean Carroll is 4 now. Oh, Jean Carroll is so big now, and she is also beautiful, just like her mother. Thank you for stopping by, Sir Johnny. Mega love shout out, Mr. Johnny Bone. Okay. Yeah, you can also support to Jan's vlog, Sir Johnny, if you want. If you want to, she has also she has she have kaning laging bulok ta sa English, no? Also a YouTube channel, and that's Jan's vlog. And mega love shout out Nathan, Almasan, CC Grace, mega love shout out. Thank you so much, Sir Johnny. Are you going to work right now? You are okay. Joy is great. Jen Carol. Send my regards as always to Joy, Sir Johnny, and to your daughter, Jean Carol. Paka English sis. Nosebleed ko sis. We call her Jeannie and her hair is so curly. Oh, I see. It's Jeannie because she is Jean. Yeah. Um, your daughter's hair is so cute because it's curly. Kumusta na kaya si Sisi Lloyds? I think okay lang hapon siya sis. 1 week ago man to iyang last upload sa iyang vlog. Wala mo ko Facebook niya ba? Okay, I will. Yes, time to work. Have a good evening. I will send my regards. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Johnny Bone, for stopping by and always watching my upload videos and also my live streaming. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your support. Okay, hold on. Let me try to. Okay. Thank you. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Let me try to share also to my friends. Oh, wow. Nagunsa ka karon si Siyans nanihapon na ka. I think nanihapon na ka kay mag-alas 9 naman, di ba? Let me hold on. Magsinging dili na nako siya makita sis. Makita makita man ako sa iyahang upload sis. 1 week ago nag-upload siya. Pero murag wala naman ata siya nag-live. Magbanat tag live no kay pati mga uploads niya. Ngano man, makita gud nako. Kita man nimo si mong subscriptions. Subscriptions. Lloyd's vlog. Pati naghigda-higda na sis. Oy, sayo kay naghigda-higda. Lami gani kayo maghigda-higda sis, pero murag imuha dati ba? Murag imuha gud gati nga kanang gabiin na kay ka bisa gabiin na nagbanat-banat pa ka og live kay syempre di ba na ay kailangan i-reach nga goal. I-reach nga unsa. Lami gani kay ihigda-higda lang no. Panalagsan ako mag-upload sis kapuyan ako gikan work ko eh. Sa bagay. Oh, oh, tayo'y maghasik ng lagim na naman. Oh, busy na magukay kasi si ano. Lamig gani kay maghigda-higda lang no. Kaysa magtunganga lang di kailangan nato. Di na jud ba ambot. Nga naman. Bakit di mo siya makita? Pero kesa nakatunga nga, kailangan nato magkayod. Kay wala man tay laing kalingawan karon no. So, ngano dili nimo man siya makita. Napa magud si Lloyd's vlog. Si Lloyd's vlog. Ako screenshot ha. Send nako sa messenger sa imo. Nagklase na imong mga girls sisi vlogs. Sisiyans, nagklase na imong mga girls. Hello, Mother Gloria. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out, Mother Gloria. Patam, patamsak po dira ma. Hit po ng like dira ma. Pugsanay na ni. O sa una sis kay lockdown man to. Banat jud og live. Sa bagay, mo to lingaw sa una ba no nya kakaron kay bisin mo kog kay ka. Ako kay samtang wala pay work. Magbanat sa taani para ma-reach nato ang atong goal. Kay murag taas pa kayo jud no, murag dugay-dugay naman taani nag-start. Wah! Wah! Salamat kay Sisi. Salamat kay sa imong support. From the bottom of my broken heart. Broken heart. Broken. Unsa imong ipa-request dira Mother Earth? Na kay mga pang-request dira kay atong char lang. Atong kantahon atong ang imong mga request. Kanang bisag maulaw tano. Kanang bisag maulaw tagamay no murag di na lang ta maulaw gamay no. Kanang mag-post go sa Facebook. Maosis oy ha ha ha. Oo, oy, enjoy ra gud ta. Enjoy lang jud ta ni. Hi to my 5 million viewers. Pasok pa kayo mga suki. Sa live selling. Pasok lang kayo mga suki. Click na ko si Sian sa ang iyang ano. Iyang channel. There oh. Yang last upload. Kita na ko sa imo. Send ako sa messenger. Madira ra ka maayo. Hi, Sister Julie. Mega love shout out. Salamat sa imong support sister no. O sis nag-online class ang duha ang youngest kay module. Wala ma-match money na ka anak. Dili pa ang tawon mother. Taas pa kaayo ang tungasunon mother para ma-match money. Support lang ta mother para ma-match money ta diri ba. Tagai ko ha. Puhon mother, kung ma-match money na ta, why not? Kung naa di ba, why not? Buhaton nato ni para sa tong family. Para maka-provide ta. Diba? Kanta sisbe. Okay, sure na sisi unsa atong ma-match money na. Sure sisi unsa may mga request nato dira sisi no. Open kay ta sa mga request sisi. Hello, good evening. Hi to my 7 million viewers. Kaning atong mga ginabuhat mother no, Mother Earth, Gloria, para dyan sa atong pamilya kay para makaprovide ta kung sa atong mga kinahanglanon, diba? Am I correct? Para na dili dili na idaw ng atong family, char. May pinanghuhugutan. Kaya support lang jud ta dira, no? Support lang jud ta dira. Ana si Amaya. Asa si Amaya. Amaya is there. Nasa kabilang kwarto. Unsay name nimo sa FB gani i-add ti ka? Kato sis, ginachat na ko sa imo. Ako aman pud to. Pero nadyo po ko isa. Oo, ganda. Same name mo sa kato sisi katong ginachat gud na ko sa imo. Mama pud Brianna Joy. Si Brianna Joy Jose. Okay, wait lang. Let me. Hello! Oh, wow! Oh! Naging 8 na. Thank you so much, guys. Pwede mo mag-comment lang dira, no? Comment down below para mabasa o ma-shoutout nato ang inyong mga pangalan. Mega love shoutout. Salamat sa 4 thumbs up, or thumbs up. Salamat sa pa-like ninyo dira, guys, no? Request lang og kanta sisi. Kaya atong kanta. Okay, pag nakauli ko na ako work. Oh, okay. Sige, sige, te. Mahadlok ko buta ning caps lock. Sa may atong imong request da Sisi Yan's vlog. Pasok mga suki. Pasok mga suki. Pasok de Visoya. Kumusta man tang tanan, no? Kumusta man mo dira? Kumusta man tayong lahat? Kumusta tayong lahat? Thank you de I know sa two wow English ako anak. Ayo anak makay bulok ba tag English. Thank you dait no katong sa nagdagdag nga mga subscriber. Thank you dai sa duha ka ni dagdag nga subscriber nato. Thank you so much, guys. And sana mag-comment pud mo na para mag-comment kung kinsa man tong mga new subscriber nako, mag-comment mo sa video nga gusto ninyong i-commentan para ma-shout out pud mo nako. The Only One by Lionel. Patay na The Only One? Okay, let me try. Wala jug singer ba? I-try na ko nasisiha. By Lionel Richie sis. Napansin ako si Yans no kay murag hilig po ka og mga kanta-kanta ba kay sa imuhagong channel kay di ba na kay mga cover. Kisa tay mong kauban imo to mother ni mo to ang mga mong kauban sa imuhang video katong nagagitara mother to nimo. Guys, comment lang mo dira sa comment section guys no para apil amaya diha. Naaga ni sa pikas so saba kayo di ba day madungog mama. Na siya sa pikas kwarto. Dili madungog sa akong background ang saba. Try na ko ni Sisi no. The Only One. Unsaon ni siya? Reyne. Gi-cover ni siya ni Rene. Reyne. Let me tell you now all that's on my mind. For a love like yours is so very hard to find. Okay, try na tuling kanta ang The Only One by Lionel Richie. Murag, karon pa ako kadunong gani. So daw, I look inside myself. Now I'm very sure there can only be you for me. Need you more and more. You are mo day ni karon ako ba? You turn me inside out me. Wait. You turn me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Uy, salamat kay Sisian sa nakabalo ko sa title ani. The only one dahil ni mo din ni siya, the only one. Okay, noted. O, di ba kung dili sa imong request, di ta kabalo. Di ta kabalo sa mga kanta dira no. Okay, wait lang. Okay, this song is dedicated to Sisian's vlog. The only one. Okay, sabon ako no kay murag na loading ta ani nga kanta. And also guys, open day ko sa ano ha sa pa-sponsorship o sa pa-Gcash. Asa naman to ko mga friends oy? Friends, pasok mga suki. Presyo Divisoria. Wait lang si Sienza. Akong nag-post ko sa Facebook no. Live tayo ulit to reach some goals sa Peter's evening. Pasok mga friends, offer open for shout out and also especially sponsorship and pa Gcash. Pizio. Pizza Nerd. Unta na mag-sponsor pud dira no. Padungog-dungog lang. Sana may magpa-sponsor naman John para sa ating mga palaro. Unta natin mga palaro no para maano pud ta diri. Puhon-puhon. Sana makahanap ng sponsor. Sponsor. You tell me inside out. Wait lang jud si Sian sa. Kadali lang jud kayo. I didn't smile. Oh, oh, uy. You tell me inside out and you show me. You. Other way. Char-char rato oy akong auntie to sis. Ah, imong auntie. Oo, kanta lang. Gituslok na nimo ang gituslok. Gituslok na nimo ang like ma. Pag like po dara ma, para ganahan ta ba? Okay, let me try again. You tell me inside out. Okay. Again, ang title sa kanta is The Only One. Lami unta kung ano no kung naatong si tawagan niya ng microphone nga unsa nindot nga microphone. Daghan na ba og kuan oy daghan na ba og kanang mga pangarap. Magmantener sa ta sa atong kuan. Sige puhon padula. Gani sisis. Padulap ko puhon kanang nay mga grand ba grand padula, grand raffle, no? Nindot na ano siya. Pero kailangan na to og sponsor. Unta nga may mag-sponsor diyan. Okay, let me start again. Let me tell you now all that's on my mind. For a love like yours is so very hard to find. I look inside myself. Now I'm very sure there can only be you for me. I need you more and more. You turn me inside out. Okay, wait lang no, kay na tumatawag na tanghalan. Wait lang. I'll be back. I'm back! Sige po. Okay lang buhay natin, Rich. Tama dyan na, mother. Rich. Rich ta sa langit. Bisag di man ta rich diri sa kalibutan, pero rich ta sa langit, oy, di ba? Okay, let me continue. You more. You turn me inside out and you show me my life was about only you. The only you that, the only one that stole my heart away. Yeah, I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand only you. The only one that stole my heart away. When you're in my arms, when I'm close to you, there's a magic in your touch that just comes shining through. Want you every day, want you every night. There can only be you for me. You make it seem so right. Oh, girl, 'cause you turn me inside out and you show me what life was about only you. The only one that stole my heart away. I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand only you. The only one that stole my heart away. In my mind, there's no other love. You're the only girl my heart and soul is thinking of. Only you, only you. They can never ever be enough that understand the way that I feel inside. 'Cause you turn me inside out and you show me what life was about only you. The only one that stole my heart away. 'Cause I wanna do what I can just to show you, make you understand only you. There's only one that stole my heart away. Sis out na ko, sleepy na ko, ugma na pod. God bless, keep safe. Okay, Sisi yan. Thank you so much sa pag-adto. Mayang naon sa kadiha. Si Mayang si Mayang diri, na si Mayang. Bunal din ha. Si Mayang daw, sige pangita si Mayang. Si Mayang nasa pikas kwarto saba kayo. The only one Jude. Request pa mo kanta kay atong kanta. Murad singe. Salamat kay si Siyans sa pag-support sa akong live. And big love shout out. Yes, mother, the only one. Still my heart away. It's so hard away. Uy, may pa-heart si ano, si Mayor. Si Mayor. You tell me inside out and you show me. Request pa kayo dyan, no? Si Amaya masig saba-saba sa pikas. Sa magsaba-saba kay na yung tita dere. Saba-saba po na siya. Magpakuha man good. You, di ba naman nag-TikTok? The only one TikTok. Pasok mga suki. Presyong Divisoria. Tungkuan day. You tell me inside out and you show me my life was about only you. So my heart away. Mm. You and you show me only you. Ay, we. Sayang din ako ni nakalimot lang ko. Wala na request dira. It's still my heart away. Ay, nag-live po dahil si Madam Hilas. Wala. Asa naman ito akong paborito nga tawagon, oy? Wala man. I need you more and more. You tell me inside out and show me my you. Asa na akong mga requester dere? Di na sila mag-request kay mangayon daw ko og ano Gcash pa Gcash. Joke. Sunod no kung makapag the only one ratawon inyo lalag. Mayang bunal maniging. Ha? Unsay bunal? Sino to isa ka phone ay? You stole my heart away. Kay Ate Gracia na kanta. Gra, request daw gra. Napakadra gra. Pag-request daw gra. You tell me inside out and you show me better. Ay, salamat sa 5 likes, John. Makita tagkanta, no? Choo-choo, na-na-na, choo-choo. Begging, begging. Way back into love. Mm. Remember when I told you, no matter where I go, I'll never leave, I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you I'll find my way back home. Ah. I could never let you go. Disclaimer there, guys, no? I could never let you go. Couldn't, couldn't run away if I tried. Cause, daw. Cause even when I'm all alone, you still got a hold of my mind. Everywhere you go. Mm-mm-mm. Still got on my mind. And I always let you know that I'm always gonna hold on. Uh, uh, uh. And I told you right from the start, just say the word and I'll go. No, it doesn't matter how far, cause, cause your love is all that I know. Baby, you just stay where you are. You know I won't be too long. Hold on, hold on. Uh-uh. Remember when I told you, and that no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone. Even when we go, even even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you I'll find my way back home. So, ay, English. Kirong ring kang kang kong 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 kong. Stay tuned lang ka dira, mother, ha. Stay put lang there. 1 hour lang man pod ko diri. Kingrong kong kong. Hoy, lubat na. No, I won't never. As long as you're there. Salamat sa 6 likes, John. Ha? Wait. Mother Earth, wala kay request dara nga kanta. So, hapit naman ta mag 1 hour, no? 5 minutes na lang. Quick live lang ni siya, guys. Wala man na to mga requester, oy. Wala, wala gi-count. Ah, I want you to the bone. I want you to the bone. I want you to the bone. Oh, I want you to the bone. Oh. I want you to take me home, I'm falling. Love me long, I'm rolling. Losing control, body and soul. Mind to offshore, I'm really roars. Walk you down, I'm all in. Hold you tight, you're calling. To control your body and soul. Mind to sure, I'm really be yours. Take me home, I'm falling. Love me long, I'm rolling, losing control, body and soul. Mine for sure, like mm, lipat bahay collaboration. Ah, okay. Oh, oh, what? Mine too for sure, my warriors. Walk you down and rolling. Hold you tight, you cold and out to control your body and soul. Mine for sure, I'm fully yours. Let you down, I'm all in. Hold you tight, you cold and I'll take control your body and soul. Mine for sure, I'm already yours. Take me home, I'm falling. Body and soul, already yours. Mm-mm-mm. Where yours? Mm-mm. How am I fallen? Salamat sa ating 7 million likes dyan, no? Sakit lagi akong liog. Ah, wait lang. Kaya ang song ako katahon is 12:51. Scrolling through my cell phone for the 20th time today. Reading the text that you sent me again, though I memorized it anyway. It was afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when you bumped to each other. But you didn't say hi, cause I'll look away. Cause maybe that was because in my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night. 'Cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright. But I gotta dry these tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. Oh, 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 oh. And I saw you with her. Didn't think you find another, and the world just seemed to crash. Shouldn't have thought that this would last. Maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night. 'Cause it's 12:51 And I thought my feelings were gone, but I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I cannot dry these tears tonight. Because of you, you're moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. As the sky outside gets brighter and my eyes begin to tire, I'm slowly drowning in memories of him. And then now it shouldn't matter as my heart begins to shatter, left to wonder. Gets on your plane, yeah, gets 12:51. And I thought my feelings were gone, but I'm lying on my bed. I'm not thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright. But I cannot dry these tears tonight, cause I'm moving on, and I'm not that strong to hold on. Cause I'll prove you wrong that I can move on through this song so much stronger. Whoa, 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 whoa. Same ground, same ground. My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. Ooh, ooh. It's hard leaving you the way that when I never wanted to. Self denial is a game a stranger never would have wanted until there was you. Cause I learned love is beyond what a man can imagine. More it clears, the more we're gonna let you go. Oh. Cause I don't understand. Cause I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my dear, I couldn't just deny the truth and lied. But am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground? My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard leaving you that way when I never wanted to. Self denial is a game a stranger I never wanted until that was you. Karagawit. Cause I've learned that love is a word that's thrown a little bit much. The version never time but to pray. Cause I don't understand. So I'm feeling so bad now when I know it was my gear. Tonight that you don't lie. So why are the only one standing on the same ground? Don't understand. That's why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my day, and I couldn't just deny the truth and lie. 'Cause why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground? Hi, teacher Janeline Osma. Mega love shout out. Salamat sa pag-stop by. Ug salamat sa imuhang ka-like dyan. I know nagklase pa ka, but salamat kaayo. With all those years. Na, 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 California King Bed. Ni hao, teacher Jen. Ni hao, ma. Ay, nakalimot ko. Anak to. Tulog naman ata po. Admit siya. Unsa gani? Thank you sa ano sis? Ay sis. Girl sa Chinese. Ni hao, ma. Shish. Shishe. Shishene. Sheshene. Sheshene da sheshe. 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 Banata na. Sheshe. Sheshene. Salamat kayo, teacher Jen. Pagklase na dala, teach. Chest to chest, nose to nose, palm to palm. We were always just that close. Wrist to wrist, toe to toe, lips that felt touched like the inside of a rose. So come, so how come when I reach out on my finger, feels like more than just distance, than distance between us. This California king bed, we're 10,000 miles apart. I'll be California wishing on the stars for your heart, for me, my California king. Eye to eye, cheek to cheek, side by side, you were sleeping next to me. Arm to arm, dust to dawn, with the curtains down and a little light night on these streets. Reach out my finger, so how come when I reach out my finger, feels like more than just between us in this California kingdom we're 10,000 miles apart. I'll be California wishing on the stars for your heart, for me, my California king. Just when I felt like giving up on us, turn around and give me one last touch that made everything feel better. Whenever my eyes get wetter, so confused when I ask you if you love me, but I don't wanna seem too weak, so weak. Maybe I've been California dreaming. This California king bed where 10,000 miles apart. California, wishing on the stars for your heart, for me, my California king. No one, no one in this California kingdom where 10,000 miles apart. Wait, what happened? Manahawa naman ka ma. Taod-taod mag-out na ko. I just want you close, where you can stay forever. Can be sure that it will only get better. You and me together, the days and nights. I don't worry, cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like. But always everything's gonna be alright. No one, no one, no one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. No one, no one, no one can get in the way of what I feel for you. You. You can't get away of what I feel for you. When the rain is pouring down, oh, and my heart is certain you'll always be around. This I know for certain. We're together, you and me together, through the days and nights. I don't worry, cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like. But all I know is everything's going to be alright. No one, no one can get away of what I'm feeling. No one, no one, no one can get in the way of what I feel for you. Ooh, you can't get away of what I feel. Mm. Something's I know. People will try to divide something so real. So till the end of time, I'm feeling you there. No one, no one can get away but I feel it for you. But no one can get it away what I feel for you. Because of you. Halo, halo, halo. Remember those walls I built? Baby, they tumbling down. Tumbling down. You didn't even up a fight. You didn't even make a sound. Found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I have been breaking is the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Never where I'm looking now. I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're a saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away. Halo, halo, halo. I can feel your halo. Halo, halo. Ooh, hit me like a wave fly. To sweat about what? What is this? 10 hours and even ticket. Gravity can't forget, pull me to the ground again. Feels like I've been awakened. Every rule I have, every rule I have you breaking. The risks that I'm taking, and never gonna shut you down. Wow, surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. Never you need more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away. Yes. I see your halo, halo, halo. I can feel your halo, halo, halo. I see your halo, halo, halo. Never enough. Never enough. Never enough. That should be me holding your hand. That should be me. Never enough. This moment and dream with me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Will you share this with me? Without you, all the shine of the thousand spotlights, all the stars see the night sky. Never be enough, never be enough. Towers cold, they're still too little. Since cold in the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never for me. Kataas ba, oy? That should be me holding your hand. That should be me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Everybody's laughing in the mind. Rumors spreading about this other guy. Do you do what you did when you did with me? Does he love you the way I can? You forget all the plans that you made with me. 'Cause baby, I didn't. That should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me feeling your kiss. That should be me buying your gifts. That's so wrong. I can't go on. Do you believe that should be me? Ooh, that should be me. You said you needed a little time for my mistakes. It's funny how you use that time to have me replaced. Did you think that it wouldn't see you out over the moon? This that you're doing to me? You're taking him where I used to go. You know, that should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me feeling your kiss. That should be me buying you gifts. This is so wrong. I can't go on till you believe. That should be me. Need to know, should I fight for our love? Oh, it's hard. It's getting harder to shield this in my heart. Oh, whoa, that should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me feeling your kiss. That should be me buying you gifts. That's just so wrong. I can't go on. Believe that should be me. He holding your hand. That should be me. Never should never let you go. Whoa, whoa. Shocking. The day said goodnight. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Take me as you want. Push me off the road. The sadness, I need this time to be with you. I'm freezing in the sun. I'm burning in the rain. The silence, I'm screaming, calling out your name. And I do reside in your light. Fire with me and find. Yeah, you lose the side of your circles. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. To be is all I gotta be, and all that I see, and all that I need this time. To be the life you gave me the day you said goodnight. The calmness in your face that I see through the night. The warmth, though your light is pressing onto us. You didn't ask me why. I never could have known. Oblivion is falling down, and I do reside on your light. Put out the fire with me and find. Yeah, you lose the side of your circles. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. To be is all I gotta be, and all that I see, and all that I need this time. To me, the life you gave me the day you said good night. You could only know me like your prayers at night. Then everything between you and me will be alright. To be is all I gotta be, and all that I see, and all that I need this time. To me, the life you gave me the day you said good night. She's already taken. You're already taken. Who already taken me? He's already taken. He's already taken me. Today, today you said good night. Good night na Jude. Sama sa kanta no, good night na. Good night and goodbye. She's already taken. She's already taken. She's already taken. Shishi. Shishi mga shishi guys. Shishi. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. To Sir Johnny Yen's vlog. Sir Johnny Bone. Nathan Almasan. Mother Gloria. Thank you for watching and thank you for sa 8 likes guys. Wait, hold on, just keep on. And also to Teacher Janeline Osman. Thank you so much, Teacher Janeline, sa pag-stop by. Thank you sa imong time. Sister Julie Grace. Christian May Daog. Thank you so much, guys. Upside down. Tinananana. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating live streaming na. Ating live. See you to my next live. Bye for now, guys. And keep safe, everybody. Good night and thank you. Bye bye. God bless. Bye bye. The day you said